Successful people are those with good habits. Habits determine your future. Guys, in this video we are going to talk about which are the habits which you need to form when you are in your 20s. Stay till then, you will get a lot more knowledge. And the first habit is time management. People, time management is very important. And if you master time management in this early age, it will be very beneficial for you for your future. Managing time is very important. To manage time, I'll give you tips. And first tip is be aware of time thieves. Be aware of the people who come and steal your time. And second tip is make your priority. Give priority to your work and give priority to your time and plan. At this time I'll do this thing and this time I'll take a break or I'll have a tea or I'll have lunch. Make priorities. There's a quote, only 20% of your activities give 80% results. So prioritize your time. And second habit which you should form when you are in your 20s is of health. People, when we are in our 20s, we form bad habits, and that bad habits give pain in the long term, and but in short term they give you pleasure. And when you get pleasure you feel very good because of feel good hormone dopamine. So don't form bad habits. And if you want to get rid of addiction, I have made one video. Click on that I button and you can watch that video. But after that video. So don't form bad habits when you are in your 20s. Either form good habits like health. Give priority to your health. Give only 1 hour out of your 24 precious hours to your health. Work out 30 minutes daily and you can walk 30 minutes after working out or in your entire day. Just give 1 hour to your health out of your precious 24 hours. It will be very beneficial for you in the long term. It will give you pain in short term, but in the long term, your body will stay healthy and also eat healthy. I have seen people in 20s they eat a lot of junk food. Eat junk food, but in moderation. Everything done in moderation is beneficial to the body, and anything done in excess is very harmful to the body. So if you are eating junk food or whatever you are doing, let's say if you are in a bad habit, do it in moderation and it will be good for the body. And the third habit which you should form when you are in your 20s is waking up early. People, if you wake up only 1 hour early every day, you have 365 more hours in 1 year. And in that 365 hours, you can do activities which you always dreamt of. You can read books, you can do exercise, or you can do anything which you were planning from a long time, that I'll do at some time. So in that 365 hours you can do activities which you desire and which make your life, not the activities which ruin your life. So in that 365, utilize that 365 hours, and that 365 extra hours of your life. So utilize that hour by waking up early. And fourth habit is working hard. Get out of that 20s deception that we are in our 20s. We will enjoy our college life. We will enjoy our school life. We will enjoy our life. People, there's a thin line between enjoying your life and ruining your life. If you keep on enjoying in your 20s, nothing will happen for you. Work hard in your 20s. So, take some time and ask your parents or grandparents what they used to do when they were in their 20s. They used to work hard, they used to do activities. I'm not saying you to do labor work, to work out, to work hard. You can do a side hustle. A side hustle 2-3 hours in one day. Just give 2-3 hours to the side hustle in a day, and the side hustle which pays you. Work hard in your 20s. If you work hard in your 20s, it will be very easier for you to work hard in your 30s and 40s. And fifth habit which you should form in your when you're in your 20s is not stopping learning. Learning is not till school and college. Learning is beyond that. Don't stop the learning process. Learning, when we were in a school, we are taught that learning is memorizing. But learning is not memorizing. Learning is taking out lessons from your life, learning new things, learning new activities. Don't stop. Don't stop your learning. Don't limit your learning only to school and college. School and college are types of formal education. You should also pursue self-education. If I I think that I am talking to a person who is in his 20s and doing college. I think that I am talking to a person who is in college. So apart from your ongoing course, you can also pursue a self-education course, a digital course, which doesn't require you to go somewhere physically. You can learn some skills in your 20s. People, I will be very honest with you. There's no value of degree in this time. There's value of skills, and if you learn the skills which are in demand and learn the activities which are trending in the market, then it will be very beneficial for you. There's value of skills. Skills will pay you. That degree which you are pursuing will not pay you. Even today, people don't get jobs after completing their graduation. So pursue self-education. Self-education is very important aspect of life. You can also read books to increase your knowledge. To increase your knowledge, read books. And if you are wondering which books to read, then click on this video which is coming on the screen, and you will know how to read a book, why read book, and which books to read.